Croeso nôl, welcome back. Well, we haven't been in here for a while. It's the Gelliideg woodland, just off the Gelliideg estate. Some beautiful Welsh oaks in here. We know that from previous visits, so we'll have a look around and see what images we can capture of these Welsh oak in their winter coats. Let's go for a walk. I think we'll stay up top to begin with, as the light is just breaking through, and then we'll go down into the lower level in a few minutes. Right, these oaks first. Waiting for a bit of light to make those greens pop a bit more. I think it's coming. As you can see, this is where the mountain stream starts to fall into the gorge, Gelliideg gorge, and it runs down quite quickly. And from here, as I turn around, you can see it creates that deep gorge, and it's within that deep gorge that all of these glorious oak trees sit. We're just getting to the top end now. You can see where the oak trees start to run out. There's the roadworks again. Just see a couple of compositions here before we head down into the gorge. Just 100 metres back from the gorge, and there's this rather nice little set here of about 5 or 6 oak trees. So let's have a look around here for an image. And get out into the open land. There's the foot of the beacons over there. That's the boundary, just beneath that ridge line. And you come round the village of Coed, and that's the Gernos, and that's the Gelliideg. Lovely spot. Two southern birch and a nice bit of separation. That's what we can make of these. Let's go and see what's happening down in the gorge. A lovely little slopey path down here, down through the oaks and down towards the river. Only a small river, but we'll go and have a look. See if we can find some images on the side of the hill. And I think almost immediately there's enough light here. The path wandering down. Perhaps slightly wider than that. Somewhere like this. The path wandering down and the oak trees either side, framing the image. Yeah, we'll take that. Try not to slip this week as we head down. And here we are, down into the little gorge. There's the small river, stream, and the path behind us. Glorious. If I scramble back up the side of the hill, which is easy at this time of year, there's that nice rock face with some trees growing out of it. So I'm going to scramble up there, and the next couple of images will be those rocks with those trees, somehow, somewhere. Well, when I said easier, I meant easy to see where to put your feet, but I forgot it's very wet and very slippy. So I'm slowly traversing and getting close to these rock faces, see what image we can find. So I'm fairly sure the secret on this one will be to get down low exclude some of the light from above and try and draw out the features of this beautiful rock face. Having taken that image, we'll now negotiate our way underneath that rock and head down once again. Hopefully not as slippy, but I'll turn the phone off now in case. Well, here we are, can you hear me? Above the sound of running water in the Gelliideg gorge. It's a rainforest basically down here, a Welsh oak rainforest. Absolutely wonderful. We're half a mile from the estate, a mile and a bit from the town centre. We get down here, and it's a glorious nature. Fantastic. Love this spot. I'm spending a few moments with the colour and the detail on this face. Look at those weeds and moss and grasses. There's some nice colours there, so let's have a look. And the light is now coming into the gorge, getting down to the floor, lighting up the sides, quite steep on the other side as you can see, runs down and off it goes, down to the Taff under the A470 there. Well, thanks for joining me in the Gelliideg gorge, enjoyed that, haven't been in for some time, so it was good to see it in its winter colours or its winter shapes, the gorge, the river, the oak trees, the rock face. Stick it all together in a vlog for this week. Hope you enjoyed. Tantronessa. Until next time, bye for now. Wilma Troll.